Hello friends, this is first video of my uh, airdrops cryptocurrency airdrops tutorial. I will teach you in this video that how to join these cryptocurrency airdrop bots and earn free cryptocurrency tokens with this, and sell these cryptocurrency tokens for Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency and earn a lot of money. So firstly you need to go to Telegram and then go to my Telegram channel. After you go to my Telegram channel, you will get links like this. So mostly airdrops also contain these bots. So when you will open these Telegram bots, you need to click here to open this Telegram bots. You just need to open these Telegram bots. Click here. Some may be different airdrops, but every airdrop is different. So this airdrop is a Telegram bot airdrop. So click on this, click on start now, then just click on continue. It will give you all the instructions so you can follow that. Click on continue. Then now enter the code 33 plus 7. Enter the code, it is 40. Now you will get these kind of instructions. So you need to go to only our airdrop rules, then follow all the details instructions given here. Click on Telegram group, join these, do all the necessary task. Click on Telegram channel now. These all the links are labeled with blue color. So now follow SafePay on Twitter. So you need to have a Twitter account to join all the airdrops, because mostly airdrops require Twitter account also. It is important to make Twitter account and Telegram and Trust Wallet. These three things you need to make in order to join all the airdrops. So now click on Twitter. Go to your Twitter or browser, open in browser your Twitter account. After this link will be opened. Now this task is of follow, so you need to follow this. Click on here follow. You will, when this blue icon will come, it means that you have already followed that. And let's just see whether it requires and retweet pinned post. So wherever it is required, it is told here in instructions that retweet pinned post. You need to go to the Twitter, and this is the pinned tweet. This is written pinned tweet. Click like here, and this is the retweet button. So click over here and then click retweet. Now your Twitter task is done. Now go back to your Telegram bot. Now you need to submit your BSC BEP20 address. So this address you will get in Trust Wallet. And what is BSC BEP20 address? I will show you. Go to your Trust Wallet. Once you go to your Trust Wallet, you need to scroll down and search for one icon. I will tell you which is that icon. This is the icon of BSC BEP20. BSC means Binance Smart Chain. So this is a smart chain. You need to click on this, then click on receive, or you can directly click on copy and then click on copy. This address starting from 0x84 or 0x starting from 0x will be your Binance BSC BEP20 address. So just copy this. Whenever you are told to submit BSC BEP20 address, you need to copy this address starting with 0x. Copy this, go back to your Telegram bot. Now click on done, because you have completed all the tasks. These three were the main tasks. Now click on done. Once you complete all the tasks, click on done. Click here. You have already done these tasks, so click on done here. It is told here to follow their follow their Twitter page and retweet the pinned post. So we have already done this task. Now you need to submit your Twitter username, and you will get your Twitter username here. You just need to open your Twitter app, and your username will be given here. Firstly open the Twitter app. When you open Twitter app, click on here top left icon, 3 bars, then click. Then you will get your Twitter address here, Twitter username. So just with using the @ you need to copy this. And write here with @ ADARSH. I'm just writing my Twitter code right now, and then click on submit. And once you click on submit, then you just need to submit. Then you need to subscribe their YouTube channel also. click on here. Now subscribe their YouTube channel. Once you do this task, also go back and you need to submit your YouTube profile link. So go to browser, open your YouTube account with which you have subscribed. Open your YouTube account with which you have subscribed. So this is my YouTube account, and open, and remember that you need to open this in desktop mode. So open this, click on top right corner, then click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, you will get the page. Now you need to click here, click here, copy. Once you click on copy, your YouTube profile link will be copied. Then submit here, paste it here. Then this task is also done. Follow our advertiser channel. So click on this blue icon, do this task also. I have already joined this. Then click on done. This is optional task, you may do it or not, it is your choice. Now you need to submit your Binance Smart Chain BEP20 wallet address. Go back to your Trust wallet, because here only you will get your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now click on receive, or you can directly click on copy. Remember that you need to copy this address only, Smart Chain. Copy this, go back to your Twitter, Telegram bot, and paste this. Now click here, submit. Now all the tasks are done, and you have given here instructions that you have invited 0 people and earned 100 SPP tokens. Your data is provided here, which is submitted, and your referral link is given here. You can copy your referral link and share it with your friends, and you will get referrals. Now whenever you want to update or check your how many people you invited or your balance, you need to click here on refresh. All the bots are not same, some may be different, so I will upload video for these another bots, another types of bots. So here you have done all the tasks. You have now completely joined the airdrop, successfully joined the airdrops. Now you can go back and try joining other airdrops. Out of 10 airdrops, you may easily get 3 airdrops, which really pays huge. So must join all the airdrops. Thank you.